Okay, I just want to give you a quick tutorial on how to use the virtual manipulatives that are linked on several pages in this course. It's a fairly easy tool that allows you to pull out different things that you might need to solve different problems that you're working on. When you click on the link, this is what you're going to see right here, this blank page with this menu along the side here and some options along the bottom. All right, the first thing you want to do is come over here where it says select grade. You're going to click that and you're going to click grade 1 because you're in first grade. Then you have some other options here that you can use based on what you're trying to do. You can click backgrounds and you can get some game boards, some storyboards, and work mats. You won't really need the game boards for this course, and you probably won't need the storyboards either. But if you wanted to, you could put some cute little backgrounds on here. As you can see, there's several different backgrounds and things you can choose from. While some of them aren't necessarily helpful, they could, just be creative for you. What you may need is the work mats. And if you click on the work mats, you can see there's several different options for you. You can just get a blank mat, which is what you already have, or you can get a number line. Perhaps you need a number line that you can use to count up or down with. A part whole work mat could be very, very helpful when you're trying to figure out which pieces you're working with and where you need to go. There are 10 frames. You could get some 10 frames here. That'll help you out. You can click on the arrow right here. That'll go down further, and you can do a tens and ones chart. Okay, so there's several different options you can use on the work mats and the backgrounds. Then you click on manipulatives, and this is where you can get the different pieces that you might need. You can get attribute blocks, which are your basic shapes, okay? You can get base 10 blocks, which you might be using a lot, your ones, your tens, and your hundreds. You can get connecting cubes, which we use a lot of times in class, right? Just get some cubes here. Okay, there's several things you can choose from. And for this particular course, you may not need maybe just a few of these things like the connecting cubes or the base 10 blocks. When you want to use one, you just grab it by clicking it and drag it to where you want it to go and drop it, and there it comes one. If I want to put another one, I can do the same thing, and I can continue to drag and drop as needed. But let's say, oh, oops, I didn't mean to put that extra one out there. You can grab the one object, drag it to the recycle bin right there, and it gets rid of it for you. If you wanted to clear everything, you would click this right here, which says clear objects. That takes away all your objects. Then you could click this that says remove the background as well, so that'll disappear too. Okay, the other tools you might need down here are the pen tool and the hand tool. Okay, the pen tool allows you to just kind of write freehand if you want to maybe circle some things or draw some lines or things you might need. You can change the color of what you're writing with. Okay, and again, you can click clear objects and that'll go away. Also, you can click the hand, which takes you back to the arrow, which allows you to grab things and move them around. So I can kind of click and move things as needed with the hand. Okay, now let's say you did draw something here and you didn't like that. Okay, let's say I don't like that, but I don't want to erase all the drawings because I want to keep that drawing. I'm going to take the hand tool and I'm going to grab just that drawing and take it to the recycle bin. Okay, there is no eraser tool. You simply drag elements to the trash can that you don't want if you don't want to get rid of everything. Okay, so that's pretty much all you need to know. You will see me use this during our video when we talk about how to use how to model problems, and then you can try it yourself. I recommend playing with it a little bit before beginning the course modules so that you can get an idea of how it works, and then as you're doing the modules you'll know what to do. All right, there you go.